Hi there, guys. I'm coming back at you with another video, and this is a haul that I got some items in, and I want to go ahead because a lot of them I've already opened because stuff comes in at different times. Anyway, I want to go ahead and get into this because this is not going to be a long video. Okay. First of all, I want to show this. I got this order in, and it is I got it upside down, I think. It's some foils. These are some foils that I got in, and I got them in from a lady that's on YouTube here, and a lot of you know her. I'll leave some information in the description below to her website and her channel, Dipped in Pretty. And she's selling these foils, and they're designer foils. You have Chanel's and Dior, Louis Vuitton, and you just have different ones in there. I have not used them yet. Dior. Better. But go check her out, guys. She's amazing, and I really wanted to support her, so I ordered these, and I'm pretty sure I'll be ordering other stuff from her as she starts selling more stuff. Okay, the next thing is I did order some more foils, and I ordered these from Amazon. I saw someone do a video about these foils, and I looked them up on Amazon. I had to look a little bit, and there's 10 of these. I am not going to open them, but I will do up close for each one of these, and it's going to be a little while before I try these, but I did want to get them on hand. I want to get them. There you go. Doing each one. These are cute, and I can't wait to try these out. These are really nice. These are nice little foils, guys. I was trying to stay away from foils for a little while, but I want to let you know I will be coming back at you with another video, and I'm going to be doing my nails, and I've got a design in mind, so I'll be coming at you with that in a little bit. Okay, I got these in, and these are pigment powders, and they're neon, and I think, if I'm correct, they said they were supposed to glow in the dark, but I don't mind that. I don't mind that whether they do or they don't, but I just wanted the neon powders because I also have a design in mind that I'm thinking about using these with. I want to show, I got this in. It's called Blossom Gel Polish, which is a blooming gel. And I've already used some of this one, and it works really well. And I also got this one in, and this is the one that I'm going to be using to do my try my design out with. I'll see how it works. By Mia Secret. And I will leave a link to all this. Okay, next I got in this, the Beetles Top It Off. I just received this in today. I want to try that one. Try this out, sorry. And also, I got in this. And let's open it and see But these are the neon colors, and these are the ones that I wanted to get in there. I'm not going to do a swatch of these, but I'm just going to show this right now. There's 6 colors. Well, 2 more things. Okay, I got in this set of eyelashes. I got these in, and they are gorgeous. It'll probably be a while before I wear them. And I also I got this in, and I did open it, but it is a makeup brush cleaning mat, and it's by e.l.f. And I ordered this from, I'm sure I ordered from eBay. And it goes like that, and it's really stiff material. I know you saw in my other video that I have the glove, but I think I like this a lot better. It's easier to hold, and you just use it to clean your brushes. And I can't wait to try it out, because I do have some dirty brushes that I need to clean. Okay, guys, that is the end of this video and this haul. And I will be talking to you in my next video. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy. Bye-bye. I just want to say, before I actually end this video, that I really want to thank all the new guys that are subscribing to my channel. And I hope that you enjoy the content. And to you guys who are my faithful ones, who've been with me since the beginning, and ones who've joined along the way, I want to say I really do thank all of you guys for subscribing and watching my videos. All right, this time I'm gone. Bye-bye, guys.